2002 International 4300 service truck. Recent consignment into the auction. Low miles, we're going to look at the odometer. It's got the DT466 International transmission, IMT 5020 crane, hydraulic operated. These are all open and available storage. There's your controls. It's got a Wilton vise on the back end, stiff legs and controls for the rear, step and a rail to get up and tied. Hitch it for a trailer, hose reel, storage box, Lincoln Ranger 250, just under 150 hours on it in total. All these storage boxes are clear. It's got good rubber. Battery boxes on this side, diesel tank on the other. And inside, it's got onboard air. It's got a Kohler gas powered 12.5 horsepower, 30-gallon air compressor. Looks like 124 hours on the welder. PA and lights. Everything you need.